Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I use flaxseed gel on my natural hair to detangle, to soften and to define my curls before wash day. So this is how my hair looks like right now. I just took down my twist and as you can see my hair is super dry, shrunken and tangled. Now let's get started. I always like to work in small sections, that way I can make sure every strand gets the love it deserves. So I begin by taking a small section of my hair which is very dry and tangled, and I apply my warm flaxseed gel directly from an applicator bottle. I made sure the gel was too warm because I have low porosity hair and that means my cuticles don't easily open up to absorb moisture. Warm products help them absorb the nutrients better. As soon as I apply the gel, I gently massage it into the section, focusing first on the ends and then working my way to the roots. This step alone makes a very huge difference. You notice the gel starting to soften the hair, and almost immediately that's when the magic begins. All the tangles just begin to melt. After massaging, I then twist the section to keep it straight and detangled while I move to the next part. If you have tightly coiled or low porosity hair like mine, you know how difficult it can be to detangle without breakage or pain. That's why flaxseed gel has become one of my absolute favorite natural products. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E and mucilage, which help to coat and soften the strands, to reduce friction and add that incredible slip that makes detangling so effortless. For anyone who is new to flaxseed gel, here's a quick reminder of how I make it. I've made this video before. You will need half a cup of flax seeds and about 3 cups of water. Bring them to a boil and stir occasionally. Once it starts to thicken, strain it while it's still hot. That part is very important because flaxseed gel tends to solidify quickly once it cools down. And after straining, transfer it into an applicator bottle, and that's it. You've got your own homemade flaxseed gel ready to use. Now back to my hair. I continue applying the gel section by section. For each part, I apply a generous amount of gel, making sure it's evenly distributed. You can also spray a little water before applying if your hair is extremely dry, but in my case, I wanted to see how the gel performs directly on dry, tangled hair, and honestly, it works beautifully. As I apply, I make sure to finger detangle gently, letting the gel coat every strand. The slip is amazing. Trust me, it's really amazing. It feels like your fingers just glide through the hair. And that's one of the biggest benefits of flaxseed gel. It's natural mucilage, which gives it that slippery, jelly-like consistency that helps to detangle without causing breakage. It's completely natural, free from any harsh chemicals, and deeply moisturizing too. It helps restore elasticity. As you can see that my curls are being revived. It also helps to reduce split ends and leave your hair super soft, shiny and manageable. I twist each section after applying the gel, not only to keep things organized but also to help the gel penetrate and define my curls. By the time I finish applying on the entire head, my hair feels lighter, softer and more manageable already. Let's take a moment to talk about the real benefits of flaxseed gel for natural hair, because it's more than just a detangler. Flaxseed gel helps with moisture retention. It forms a lightweight film around each strand, which helps trap in moisture and reduce dryness, perfect for natural and kinky textures. Secondly, it gives a beautiful curl definition. The gel enhances your natural curl pattern, making it ideal for a twist out, for a braid out, or a wash and go style. Thirdly, it also helps with hair growth because it's rich in vitamin E, omega-3s, and linens. Flaxseed gel nourishes the scalp and encourages healthy hair growth. And when used regularly, flaxseed gel strengthens your strands from the root, reducing shedding and breakage caused by dry or brittle hair. It's also a very beautiful natural scalp treatment. If you have dry or a flaky scalp, flaxseed gel helps provide hydration and mild anti-inflammatory benefits, leaving your scalp calm and soothed. It's also very affordable. This is an advantage for us natural hair girlies. Let's not forget, it's one of the most affordable DIY products you can make at home. A small bag of flax seeds can last you months, and also easy to make. You only need water and your flaxseed. That's all. Now that my hair is fully coated and twisted, it's time to detangle using my wide tooth comb. I start by unraveling one section at a time and using a wide tooth comb to gently comb through. The gel makes this process unbelievably easy. The comb just glides through without pulling or tugging. You can literally feel the tangles melting away. And because I'd mini twist before, and after removing the mini twist, my hair was super tangled and curled, but now the detangling has become so easy. If you've ever dreaded wash day because of the painful detangling process, this step will change everything. Flaxseed gel makes detangling stress-free and quick while also conditioning the hair deeply. You'll notice your strands look more defined, smoother, and more elastic. For best results, always start combing from the ends and work your way up to the roots. The key is patience and let the gel do the work for you. So when I finish detangling all my sections, I'm ready to move on to my regular wash day routine. I don't leave the gel on for days. I simply use it as a pre-shampoo treatment to detangle and soften my hair. Then I rinse it out with warm water and proceed with my shampoo and my conditioner. The result is just super amazing, softer, smoother, and more manageable hair. My curls feel revived and defined, and my detangling time has been cut in half. So when I'm washing my hair, I no longer have to do the detangling in the shower because I've already done it before. So if you have been struggling with dry, tangled natural hair, or you're looking for a natural detangler that also defines your curls, flaxseed gel is going to be your best friend. And the best part, 100% natural, affordable, and easy to make right in your kitchen. Don't forget to check out my other video on how to make flaxseed gel in detail. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you never miss my next natural hair care tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay beautiful and keep those curls flourishing. Bye.